Moving the app icons is easy, but there's one little catch that might cause issues. If I tap and hold an app, you'll see all these edit options come up. But if I try to move it now, it's not going anywhere. That's because I lifted my finger after I did the long press. If I want to move the app icon, I'll need to tap, hold, and then without letting go, I'll start dragging the app icon across my screen. Then I can place it to a different spot in my app grid. Or if I'm on my home screen, I can do the same thing and place it anywhere here. The app grid doesn't really allow you to leave empty space between apps, but the home page is more flexible when it comes to that. One thing to note is that in order to move apps in your app drawer, you have to be using the custom order. If I go here and change my app drawer to use the alphabetical order, it'll force everything into alphabetical order, and that order cannot be changed. I can tap and drag apps, but my phone won't allow that move to happen. So this view is sort of locked, and for you to move the apps, you'll need to be using the custom order instead. The home screen, on the other hand, will always allow you to move your app icons, even if you're using the alphabetical order for your app drawer. So that's how you move your apps. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.